AI is everywhere, and so are the malicious actors. Security in AI is really crucial when using public large language models or even the closed source models to prevent malicious actors from exploiting vulnerabilities such as data poisoning or generating harmful content, ensuring trust, privacy, and safety in applications ranging from chatbots to content generation and decision making systems. And that is where the tools like ZeroTrusted AI are quite important. This is actually quite an interesting tool. If you look at the diagram on their website, you will see that on the left hand side there's a user prompt, and then it passes through this LLM firewall, which scans it for any um, uh, sensitive data, for any private data, or any data which could be harmful, and then it only then it sends it across to the LLM. This not only ensures your privacy and security, but also it has a lot of other benefits that will ensure that you are compliant with your local regulations. We all know that these LLMs have been trained on a large corpora of data, which could include, sensitive information, malicious information, or even the hallucinations, and also the risks of unintentional or even intentional data exposure or exploitation by any other malicious actor are always there. And that is where this tool, Zero Trusted AI's LLM Firewall, is designed to protect from these threats. And I think this is the right step in the right direction. It also enables you to have anonymity, privacy, and reliability. So it is sort of acting as a um, web proxy or something like that. If you scroll through their main page, you will see that they have this architectural diagram, which makes it very easy to understand as what exactly this is doing. So you can achieve anonymity with it. For example, you pass your data which is unsanitized, and then LLM firewall detects for any vulnerabilities, for any violations, and then it optimizes your prompts, generates a sanitized data, and then passes it to your target LLM, which could be um, OpenAI's GPT-4, or it could be Anthropic's Claude, or it could be any other custom LLM hosted on your local servers, in the cloud, or anywhere else. It doesn't matter. And then also there are a lot of other features where you can use the LLM's output to scan it for uh, again for any sensitive information, any infactual data hallucination, and then pass it back to the user. So it's a two-way firewall, which becomes very handy. And with the help of this ZeroTrusted.ai, you can secure your data with ZT Policy Server and ZT Data Privacy, which I believe they're proprietary uh, features of this LLM firewall. And as I mentioned earlier, you can have a lot of integrations with it. For example, you can integrate and plug in LangChain tools, Zapier Zaps, and also you can use it on Azure Marketplace. I'm not sure if it is available on AWS or Google because I couldn't find it, but as you can see here, it is definitely available on Azure. And I will show you the pricing shortly. There are a lot of other things. Developers can also build a few things around by using their API, which is also quite nice. And as it integrates with the framework like LangChain, so it should be quite easier. Now, when you have it and any tools like this, then you can simply focus on growing your business using AI, and you have to worry less about uh, this LLM security. So ZTA or Zero Trusted AI empowers organizations with next generation technologies that safeguard data, APIs, and applications by enforcing robust data privacy, intrusion detection, and zero trust compliance. It utilizes cutting edge encryption techniques both at rest and during transmission, along with AI and ML, and their platform integrates decentralized storage capabilities for maximum security. In order to try out their platform, just sign up for free by clicking on this red button. Once you are signed in, then you will be logged into this console. Let me make it a bit bigger. Now, there are a few things which you can do here with this firewall. You can do secure AI chat, as you can see on your screen at the moment. And then, for example, when you um, do something in your chat like generate SQL insert command using this, which includes some sensitive data. Then it is, you can see processing compliance, sanitizing data, ingesting LLMs. How cool is that? So it is running final checks. There you go. So says that you detected and modified some likely sensitive data in your search. You may disable this detection feature. But and then it has also given you some reliability score. You can also clear the LLM history, which is very important. So this is how you can simply chat with it, and it will tell you about any sensitive data. So for example, if I ask it, um, my date of birth is 23rd March 1940, and my credit card is, let's see if it is able to, what it does here. It is processing compliance, again sanitizing the data and doing all the checks and stuff. There you go. So it again detected it, that it has and the reliability score has dropped a lot. If I just say hello there, it should be innocuous enough, I guess. And the final checks are being run. There you go. So reliability is quite good. So you see that it has gone on and all looks good. Didn't find anything. No privacy detected, as you can see here, and you can clear your LLM history from by clicking here. There you go. Now, other than that, you can check your copyright and plagiarism checker. Just paste your text here, and it is going to see if that text has been generated by AI or by um, human itself, which is quite good. Other than that, you can also um, go into the settings, and then in settings you can not only select your models, you can search list. These are the models available, and then there are a lot of other things. For example, on compliance, plagiarism, reliability, you can switch them on if you like. The plagiarism is off at the moment, and then it checks a lot of things. For example, for threats and attacks, it checks things like LLM ensemble strategy. um, the LLM ensemble strategy involves combining predictions from multiple LLMs, such as GPT variants, for example, to improve overall performance in NLP tasks. By leveraging the diverse strengths and perspective of individual models, ensemble methods aim to enhance robustness, accuracy, and generalization capability. This strategy primarily involves aggregating predictions through techniques like averaging, voting, and weighted combination. So pretty good. And then we have data. It also detects data poisoning, which is the malicious manipulation of training data to compromise the performance or integrity of machine learning models. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use their APIs, which is quite handy if you want to integrate it with your own systems. And then this is the plan and pricing, which is quite generous. You can see that I'm on the free plan, which has number of one user. I can maintain prompt anonymity, and then you can do 10 monthly searches, very generous. And then I can do one LLM ensemble. Even there is a support, for the free version. That is quite awesome. And the standard plan is just $20 US, I guess. Business plan is $100 per month. And then for enterprises, you need to connect them. But there are a lot of things even in business plans, if you see. Really good. I think it seems like a good value. And if you go to yearly, I think that will offer you some sort of, uh, I guess, discount. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. I will drop the link to it in video's description. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.